our goodbye. It's always see you real soon. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias. Friends, I'm so delighted you joined us today. There's nothing I enjoy more than showing folks around this magic kingdom, especially because it's certified proof that in these parts, dreams really do come true. See, there was a time not so long ago that I was just a young fella on Main Street with a balloon in my hand and a wish in my heart that someday I'd be the conductor of this train. And wouldn't you know, with a here I am. So believe it when I say that around here, anything is possible. See what I mean? Hope you packed a compass, because that, folks, is the sound of adventure. Adventure legs, I should say. Whether navigating wild jungle rivers, swashbuckling with jolly buccaneers, or even just scaling a towering treehouse, there's always plenty to explore here in Adventureland. Home to cowpokes, campfires, and country bears, this outpost is chock full of tall tales and an even taller mountain. We call it Big Thunder. Catch a ride on a On a more useful note, just ahead I heard some new critters are moving in and looking to make a splash. Take a listen to their own roof there. We've reached Frontierland and sit tight and hold those horses until we come to a complete stop. In the disembarkment, please carry your strollers all the way off the platform before unfolding. That'll help make room for any new buccaneers. Watch your step now. This is Frontierland Station.
All right, my friends, we're still rolling into the station. Please remain seated until I get the all clear, please.
Howdy, folks. If you're just joining us, a hearty welcome aboard. We're heading for our next stop, Fantasyland, before carrying on to Main Street U.S.A. Everybody stay seated and keep your hands and arms, feet and legs safely inside the train. And as always, keep an eye on your little ones. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias. Those of you who've been riding with me for a spell already know how much I love minding this railroad. But for those times I'm fixing for something a bit wilder, Big Thunder Mountain is the place. Because there, the trains have a mind of their own.
Hi, friends. As a courtesy to those fellow passengers around you, there is no law on board the train. Once again, there is no eating or drinking while on board the train. Thank you.
The change in scenery means we've left the rattle and rumble of that old gold mine behind and entered my favorite leg of the journey. Lush wilderness, calm waters, and untamed beauty. Folks, we're in nature's wonderland. Isn't it something? Just think of the extraordinary things see and do in these woods. Hiking trails, bird calls, fireflies, and starry nights. Setting out for adventure at sunrise and telling the tale around a campfire that night. Considering how wonderful things are out here, I'm fortunate that some of my closest friends call it home. That village is a truly special place. Folks, we're just about out of the woods and into the forest. The enchanted forest of Fantasyland, where magic. Listen. Hear that?
There it is, on that big metal snake. It's so cute, Dad. That's not a snake. I think it's gold. Great, huh? Well, I think it's finally time I trained my shadow to stay put. Hey! Get back here, Shadow! Shadow! Oh, Tinkerbell, we really must find some stronger fellows.
Told you it's enchanted, and not just the forest. From the tips of castle spires to the sands under the sea, magic and happily ever afters await around every corner in Fantasyland. Friends, children of all ages, we're coming down the track and heading straight for the stupendous, the sensational, the spectacular, Fantasyland Storybook Circuit. This is the place to storm a jungle or join Goofy in his stuffed plane for some airborne acrobatics. This station is also your gateway to the rest of Fantasyland and Tomorrowland. And the train has come to a complete stop. Gather your juggling pins, unicycles, and other belongings, and carry your strollers away from the platform before unloading. That way we can start hosting the next leg of our trip. For those disembarking, please watch your step and thanks for traveling with us. I hope you join us again real soon. If you're staying aboard, our next stop is Main Street Station.
As we arrive at the station, please remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, legs inside the train until the train comes to a full complete stop. I will give the words all clear when it is safe to disembark the train. Thank you.
Looks like we're on our way, and I'm so glad to have you with us. Next leg of our journey takes us to Main Street, U.S.A. We'll head for Frontierland after that. Stay seated and keep your hands and arms, feet and legs inside the train at all times.
Yellow.
Please keep an eye on your children. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren. Y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias. Next up is a place that's always and not just Tomorrowland. us optimism, the possibilities are endless. I say, sky's the limit. But that is no possibility for Main Street, USA, a place where the only thing sweeter than the After our stop, we'll be heading for Frontierland, followed by a visit to Fantasyland. For now, stay seated until our train comes to a complete stop. Then pick up your belongings and carefully disembark. If you have strollers to unfold, please take them all the way beyond the platform so new passengers can safely hop aboard. And while we're being neighborly, what say we give our fellow traveler a friendly wave hello? This is Main Street Station. Welcome to Main Street, USA.
As we arrive at the station, please remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, legs inside the train.